Hi guys, so today's video is going to be on how and where to listen to lung sounds, and I have special guest Mr. Ashley Atkins in this video to be my test dummy so I can show you where to listen to them. So the first thing is obviously you need a stethoscope. You can't just listen to lung sounds with your ear. And there's kind of two ways to listen to lung sounds. The most accurate way is to listen at the patient's back. So I'm gonna have you turn around. So I know we're kind of at like a weird angle, so bear with us, but this is obviously Jesse's back, and you want to listen, like when I was in nursing school, I was told like there's like 10 or 12 spots to listen to. Honestly, I say that there's 6. The first spots you're going to listen to are their top of their lungs, which is kind of right down their back here, and you obviously want to listen on both sides. You don't want to go down one side first and then the other because you're comparing the lungs bilaterally. So I start on one side and I always ask my patient to take a deep breath in and out. Okay, you don't have to actually do it. And then I do the same thing. I have them take a deep breath in or out, and I go all the way down. I do the top 2, I do middle 2, and then I do bottom 2 at their bases kind of down here. There's obviously you can listen more. You can do as many spots as you want, but basically I'm listening to top lungs, top lobes, middle lobes, and then their bottom lobes. Now, if you have a patient that's not able to easily turn on to their side or sit up so you can listen to their back, you can listen to the front. It's not necessarily as clear or accurate, but you can do that. And basically you're going to do the same thing. You start at their top, right here, kind of where their second intercostal space is, and you have them take a deep breath, and then you go to the middle, and then I go to the bases of their lungs. Oh, I guess you can't really see, but bases of their lungs, and having them take deep breaths in and out all the way down, and you're listening for things like, can you hear clear lung sounds? Do you hear crackles? Do you hear bronchi? Do you hear wheezes? Do you hear diminished lung sounds? Do you not hear anything? Those are all things you're going to listen for, and I'm not going to get into specifics about that, but you're listening for anything that is outside a normal lung sound. So anyways, if you guys have any questions, leave those in the comments below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.